So I've just received my package from Pete and Pedro, and in this video I'd like to unbox it and give you my initial thoughts and reactions. So if you're excited, please leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm because that really helps the channel out. And I'll have all the products linked down below if you're interested. Anyways, let's unbox this. Alright, so I've received the following 4 products. The Pedro Putty, the Pedro sea salt spray, and to be quite honest, it looks very premium. And then we got the Pedro shampoo and the Pedro conditioner. So in this video, I'm not gonna go over these 2 products, but I will make a separate video, and therefore, if you're someone that is interested in that video, definitely consider to subscribe to be notified when I upload that video. I'm gonna look at the putty and the sea salt spray now. So on the back of the putty, it says high hold, low shine. Creates texture and separation with a firm, flexible hold. Lanolin, beeswax and a blend of polymers create a natural matte finish, alcohol and paraben free. So the putty is a high hold and low shine product. And when it comes to the sea salt spray, on the front it says natural sea salt infused sea spray with kelp extract for volume, texture and soft hold. So the sea salt spray creates volume while the putty has a high hold. On the back of the sea salt spray it says kick it up a notch with sea spray. Creates beachy, windswept styles, adds body to fine hair with a light hold. Use on wet or dry hair for the extra oomph that is sometimes needed to retexture or release the style. Makes hair feel thicker, paraben free. Natural sea salt gives texture, volume and soft hold. The kelp extract moisturizes and nourishes hair. So the way you're meant to use these products is that you start off with the sea salt spray and then the putty. But since I've never tried Pete and Pedro before, in this video I'm gonna give you my initial reaction after using the product. But I also thought it makes sense to have someone else on this channel, someone that has been using these products for quite a long time now. So I asked my mate Hamodi from the Teaching Gents channel about his experience and his thoughts when it comes to the Pete and Pedro products, and this is what he had to say.
What's up guys, it's Hamodi Omar here from Teaching Gents, and today I'm giving my initial review and thoughts on Pete and Pedro for you guys. So about a year ago, Pete and Pedro actually reached out to me and they wanted to send me some products to try them out just for fun. I said, why not? I will give it a try. I have nothing to lose. As I use these products right here for about a year, I've seen a huge improvement in my hair. Everything from volume to the silky smoothness and also how healthy my hair felt. A combination of a conditioner and a great shampoo. I had very healthy hair after I left the shower every single time I used them. As well as a combination with these 2 products right here, which is their signature products, which is the sea salt spray right here and their putty. These 2 products right here gave my hair so much volume, so much texture. They always impressed me throughout the day I used them. So my initial thought on them, it's definitely worth trying them out. And yeah, the brand is maybe a little bit hyped just because you have Alpha behind the brand, but I think it's definitely worth trying. You will definitely thank me and Meninfluencer for letting you know about this brand. So thank you for having me, Meninfluencer, and I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you so much, Hamodi, for sharing your opinion when it comes to the Pete and Pedro products, because you've tried these products for quite a long time now, and I'm sure all of the people watching appreciate this. So definitely consider to check Hamodi's channel out because he makes amazing Instagram reels and YouTube shorts, and I'll have his channels linked down below. So once again, Hamodi, thank you for your opinion. Alright, so now I'm gonna check the products out and give you my initial thoughts and feedback. Alright, so this is currently how my hair looks like. Obviously, it's not wet, but it is a little bit moisturized. So the directions of the sea salt spray are spray on damp or dry hair, let dry naturally, or for more fullness, diffuse with heat. Works on wet hair to create volume, on dry hair for piecey tussler texture. Alright, so when it comes to this product, you get 2 different variables depending on whether you wet your hair or keep it dry. And currently at the moment my hair is in between those 2 extremes. Neither is it really dry or on the other side wet. So let me apply this product to my hair now. Since I do actually have quite a lot of hair, I might as well apply it a few times. Alright, I'm making sure it's going all in my hair. Alright, so this is currently how my hair looks like after applying the sea salt spray. So obviously you can easily run your fingers through your hair, but when it comes to my hair, I do feel like there's a little bit more volume. Or is it just me? Definitely let me know in the comments down below. Alright, so that was a close-up view when it comes to my hair. And this is how my hair looks like on screen. Obviously, I do feel like that it won't hold like this for the rest of the day. But at the same time, I do feel like that it has more volume than that it did before. So if I do this, my hair is already a mess, but it's easy to put it back into place. So that's a good thing. And now let me use the putty. So the directions of this product are use dry hands, dig a little bit, breaking off in clumps, rub hands together like crazy so it disappears, run hands down to the roots and style. Alright, let me follow the instructions. So this is currently how much I've got. Let me scoop it out for you guys. This is how much product I'm gonna use, and now I'm gonna emulsify it. So make sure it all disappears. Alright, there we go. I must admit that it actually does smell quite nice. The smell really isn't too overpowering, but you can smell it lightly. So the product is emulsified, and let me run it through my hair. Alright, so this is currently how my hair looks like, and to be quite honest, it pretty much looks the same like the sea salt spray. But obviously when it comes to this, it has a high hold and extremely low shine. And to be quite honest, you can actually see that it does have a low shine, because if you compare my hair before when I only used the sea salt spray and now, you barely see a difference in my opinion. And as reference for those individuals that are currently watching this video, I do have to admit that my hair is quite thick, but at the same time, my hair is also extremely long. Let me just turn around to show you how long it is at the moment, because this is currently how it looks like. And even though I do have thick hair, it's hard to find products that do have a high hold and low shine if you want to have long hair and make sure it stays all the way to the back for the rest of the day. And just like Hamodi previously mentioned, I definitely feel like this is a decent product, because I'm about to go to the gym after making this video, but I definitely feel like that this product will probably stay like this all day long, because relative to a lot of other products, most of those products always tend to have high hold and high shine, and that isn't something that I personally like. I'm someone that doesn't like high shine. I like a product to have a matte finish or low shine, and that's what this putty does. So honestly, a big thumbs up to Pete and Pedro. So when it comes to the shampoo and the conditioner, if you'd like to see that video, definitely consider to subscribe. So you can find the putty and the sea salt spray that I've used in this video and all of the other products in the description. Pete and Pedro was also nice enough to provide you guys a discount code, and therefore, if you use the discount code junaid15, you get 15% off everything. So anyways, thank you so much for your time. I genuinely appreciate it, and I hope you found this video informational and useful. If you did, please leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, consider to hit the subscribe button, and help your brother out. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.